Last-minute holiday deals on smart devices, still arriving in time. Smart devices make ideal last-minute gifts. They're practical, easy to give, and currently discounted across streaming, smart home, security, and lighting categories. Affordable options include the Roku Streaming Stick, Smart Bulb SE Color 2-pack, with 16 million colors and 4K streaming sticks under $25. Mid-range gifts include the Roku Outdoor Camera with weather resistance and motion alerts, smart light strips starting at $24.99 for customizable lighting, and Indoor Camera SE from $19.99 for monitoring. For under $100, consider the Roku wire-free video doorbell for tracking deliveries and visitors, or the StreamBar SE, which combines a soundbar with streaming capabilities. Anker Solix portable power stations make ideal winter, travel, and backup gifts. From December 22nd to 29th, 2025 in Canada, deals include the F3800 Plus with expansion battery, F3000, C2000 Gen 2, and C1000 Gen 2. Practical premium essentials people appreciate when they need them. Aqara smart home deals include the Camera Hub G5 Pro $119.99, Doorbell G for $1,094.99, Protect Kit Y $189.99, Smart Lock U $119.99, and U $149.49, offering local processing, strong privacy, and broad ecosystem support.
Go to GearBrain for more information.